Yo. Hell yeah. If y'all hear some noise, that's my plate vibrating over there in the window. I was trying to hook up this little mic to my supercharger so I could get some fucking supercharger noises, but that'll have to wait till next time. Yo, bro. This is fucking crazy, bro. We went from a V6 to a motherfucking cat, nigga. The V6 still nice though. The V6 still titties.
Keeping my composure, never sober, never choking, always smoking dope.
Bruh, this shit sound crazy, bro. I'm used to the... Oh, I should have slowed down a little bit for that. I'm used to the fucking V6, bro. I just play the music and I don't hear nothing really unless I step on the hoe. Fuck, bro. Oh my god, bro. We got a fucking cat, nigga. I can't get over this shit, bro. I'm surprised I ain't crying. I'm not even watching where I'm going, bro. Alright, we got 21 minutes left. I want to get this bitch inspected. I got a 10-day inspection from the DMV, but I'm trying to get it taken care of already. I got one of my boys following behind me. He's in the Jeep.
Nigga, this is my trap house. Big gun like I'm Rambo. No, nigga, this is my trap house. Big gun like I'm Rambo. Gotta make enough to bail out just in case the police book me.
Bro, just a couple days ago, bro, this shit was just a dream. Yo, it's a fucking Huracan, yo, what the fuck? Yo, this shit is nuts, bro. It's a Huracan, nigga. What the fuck? Yo, that's nuts, bro. Yo, he's cooking me, bro. He's cooking me. That's so fire, bro. That's so sick. You don't see shit like that around here. Damn, I gotta wait for my boy to catch back up. Alright, we gotta take the exit. 1.8 miles, exit 4. Skid plate down there dragging. Yep. Hello.
Just so we can write it up and you can pay. It's like 21 bucks.
So you don't need the VIN?
Huh?
You don't need the VIN?
No.
Whoa, what the fuck?
Got him.
But fuck, yo, we couldn't get the fucking V inspected. I think because of the tune, the computer or some bullshit ain't ready on, some shit like that. There ain't no codes, but apparently, what the fuck this shit say? Hold on, before I go the wrong way. Monitor's not ready. So there's no codes, but the monitors are not ready. I don't know what the fuck that means. But we got 9 more days to get this bitch inspected before we're driving illegally.
You going to jail?
She be searching for me in the next nigga.
That shit was nasty. Got another bridge, y'all. Got another one coming up too.